Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in 2025, I went all in and tested every single budget camera that photographers, vloggers, and creators are buzzing about. If you're just starting your content journey, or maybe you're looking for a second camera without breaking the bank, this video is for you. Stay tuned, because I'll not only reveal the best cameras under a budget, but also tell you which one gives you the most value for money in 2025. Let's kick things off with the Canon EOS R50. Now, this camera is literally built for creators who want high quality without going pro-level expensive. You get a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, Canon's famous dual pixel autofocus, and crisp 4K video at 30 frames per second. What impressed me the most? The colors straight out of camera, skin tones look natural, no heavy grading needed. If you're into YouTube vlogging or travel videos, the R50 is lightweight, compact, and super beginner friendly. Next up, the Canon R50V, basically the vlogger-focused version of the R50. Canon listened to creators and made it even more user-friendly. It has dedicated vlog settings, better audio integration, and simplified menus that literally make video shooting foolproof. If you're someone who doesn't want to deal with complicated settings, this is the one you'll love. Think of it as the plug-and-play budget camera for creators. Moving on to the Canon M50. This one's been around for a while, but still makes my list in 2025. Why? Because it's affordable, reliable, and has proven itself as one of the best beginner cameras out there. It shoots great 1080p and decent 4K, and it's still very popular in the USA market thanks to its strong community support. If you're on a super tight budget, the M50 can still hold up, though keep in mind Canon is slowly phasing out the M series. Now let's talk Sony A6400. A camera that creators in the US absolutely love. It's not the newest, but it still packs a punch with its 24.2 MP APS-C sensor and one of the fastest. Last but not least, the Canon R100. This is Canon's entry-level RF mount camera. It's affordable, compact, and a great way to step into Canon's new RF lens system without spending thousands. It's not the most powerful, but for someone starting out in 2025, the R100 delivers solid image quality and access to future-proof lenses. So after testing all these cameras, here's my verdict. If you're a beginner YouTuber, Canon R50V is your best friend. If you want the best all-rounder for photo plus video, Sony A6400 is still king. If you're looking for the cheapest entry point, go with Canon R100. At the end of the day, it really depends on your content style, but every single camera on this list will give you pro-level results on a budget. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which camera you'd pick in 2025. I'll see you in the next one.